Hello, this is United Storage Assembly. This is our 1.5" by 10" storage assembly. Each assembly comes with 2 thin end caps. The entire assembly is made from 6061 T6 aluminum, which has a extremely high resistance to corrosion. The 1.5" by 10" storage assembly comes with 8 60-degree center marked storage cups, including your spacer. And when fully assembled, and placed under compression, forms our tube inside of a tube design. So when placed back in this tube, is more or less just for alignment purposes. You'll notice that we leave a small gap of 1/64 of an inch in between the face of your tube and the face of your end cap. This is to ensure if you were to have your storage device Cerakoted, that your internals remain tight and under compression and do not rattle. Here in the cutaway version, you will see your secondary storage chamber and your primary storage chamber, as well as your storage chamber in between each of your 8 storage cups. Once again, we do offer our thick end caps made from 70-75 grade aluminum. We offer many modifications for these. If you can't seem to find what you're looking for, feel free to ask. You can find us at UnitedStorageAssembly.com. As well, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you.